Hello everyone! Today we're sharing our DIY sunflower clock. This project is a fun and creative way to help Year 3 students learn how to tell the time while combining art, maths, and sustainability. The sunflower shape makes learning time more exciting and easy to remember. Each number on the clock helps students understand hours, minutes, and how time moves through the day. Using recycled materials shows that learning doesn't always need new supplies. We can reuse everyday items and turn them into something useful and educational. The sunflower clock is great for practicing telling time, classroom, math activities, school projects, or fun learning at home. Learning the time can sometimes feel tricky, but hands-on projects like this make it interactive and enjoyable. Students can move the clock hands, talk about different times, and build confidence in their math skills. Thank you for watching our sunflower clock project. We hope it inspires you to learn, create, and reuse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning ideas. Bye!